The first meeting of the Five Feather Friends has been called to order. Meeting? We're just gonna sit here and talk? Man, I want to see some action. You will, boy. But we need to plan a course of action. We need to scheme up a strategy that is foolproof. We had several of our avian allies take surveillance photos of Sylvester. Put them on the overhead projector. I wanted to punish him a few days ago when his back was turned towards us, but Jay said here it wasn't very Napoleon of me to do so. And I still stand by what I said. Show us the rest of the pictures. As you can see, Sylvester likes to sleep underneath that giant metal beast. If we can only get that beast to crush him while he's sleeping. Maybe we could get the lion dog to help us. I've seen him in the human house. He is Sylvester's mortal enemy. I tried to fight him the other day, but the humans locked him up in a steel cage for causing mayhem and disorderly conduct. We must free the lion dog and seek his assistance. Only as a last resort, because the lion dog is a vicious beast and he's very unpredictable. We need to find Sylvester's Achilles heel and exploit it. Cats hate a lot of things, and finding the right one would drive him crazy and wild. And you know, I love to drive cats crazy. Water! We must think like Horatio Nelson and fight Sylvester on the water. Nelson defeated Napoleon's fleet at the Battle of Trafalgar, so we must fight Sylvester near a body of water so he'll meet his end and die slowly. Tomorrow shall be Sylvester's Trafalgar.